Hello students, welcome to the topic of preparing stud with nut according to standard size. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to prepare the blank size to cut external thread using dies, drill through hole to form internal thread using tap.
Materials and equipment. Threading die. Die stock or handle. Cutting oil or lubricant. Thread gauge. Vise or clamping device. Deburring tool. Process. Fix the die in the die stock and place the leading side of the die opposite to the step of the die stock. Place the leading side of the die on the chamfer of the work. Make sure that the die is fully open by tightening the center screw of the die stock. Start the die square to the ball's center line. Apply pressure on the die stock evenly and turn in a clockwise direction to advance the die on the bolt blank.
In this video, we learn about how to prepare the blank size to cut external thread using dies and how to drill through hole to form internal thread using tap. I hope you have understood all the concepts and exercises. In our next video, we will bring you another wonderful concept. Till then, take care.